Hello everyone, my name is Confident and welcome to another edition of the AppSmith Office Hours. Last week, we had a really cool community call where we discussed with the community AppSmith's product roadmap and give members of the community an opportunity to share their ideas and help us decide what features get built on AppSmith going forward. It was a really cool community call, and in case you missed it, here is a short video highlight of our interaction with community members during that call.
Okay, so this is our existing roadmap. The way you access this is go to the homepage of AppSmith, then click on projects, and then you'll see this product roadmap. This is the way you can find it later. So this is our current roadmap. This is what we've been working on this quarter. We've already delivered Google Sheets plugin. We are working on import export. We are launching the list widget. Then there are a bunch of other things that we are working on this quarter right here. This is where you can see the issues for the next quarter. We have workflow, custom styling for widgets, custom components. We'll be adding the GraphQL integration, etc. Now, every one of these issues, they have a certain label. Some of them are marked as UI building because they relate to the UI building experience inside AppSmith, while others are marked as data sources, or they're marked as actions or platform because they relate to those aspects of AppSmith. Inside AppSmith, we let anybody create issues on our GitHub project. So you can absolutely come in and create any issue, and you can just mark these as any labels so that we can actually find it and then discuss it and start working on this.
We also had an interactive session where community members gave us feedback on features that they were more interested in.
Now, let's move on to the Miro board where we will discuss our existing roadmap. So I'm going to just paste the link so that every one of you can access it here. So while you're opening it, let me go ahead and explain how we will actually collaborate on the roadmap here. First, you have a bunch of instructions here. Everybody can participate. Every single one of you can actually create an issue, create a note, or comment on a note, or upvote on a note. So that's the first thing. If you don't understand anything, you can just ask those questions on chat. So the first thing, take a look at post-it notes which are beside these instructions. Take a post-it note and drag and drop it on any one of these columns. So we have 7 columns here. The first column is a list of UI widgets. These are new widgets that will improve the AppSmith collection. Then you have the UI building experience, which is primarily the drag and drop experience inside AppSmith. Then you have integrations. Then you have coding and query writing experience, which is a JS writing experience or the SQL writing experience inside AppSmith. Then you have the viewer experience, which is the end user mode. And then the 6th one is the deployment experience of AppSmith. And the last one is just a mixed bag. If you do not, if you think of an idea that doesn't fit in any one of these columns, you can just put them in mixed bag. So the way to participate here is, one, you can take a post-it note. You can just drag and drop a post-it note and drop it here. And then you can start typing right here. So I can write expand the JS editor in the property pane. So that's my idea here. The other thing that you can do is you can actually upvote or comment on other people's ideas. To upvote somebody's ideas, you have 4 different options here. First, if you really love the idea and you think we should do it very quickly, just drag one of these emojis and put them on the post-it note that you really like. So here I'm going to go ahead and put this on the custom CSS because we really need this. If you like it, but you don't think it's urgent, use the upvote. If you don't understand it, use the confused face. If you don't care about it, you can just either ignore it or put a thumbs down here. So that's it. Those are really the main instructions. And we can all just get started.
That was awesome. I'll be leaving a link in the video description to the feedback board so that you can also share with us your ideas. Don't forget, we'd really love to hear from you, so please check the link in the video description so that you can let us know what you think. Awesome. I'll be signing off here. Please stay safe, and I'll see you around some other time. Bye.
I think somebody's written expand JS editor in the property pane for the coding and query writing experience. Do you mean a larger JS editor so you can write multi-line code more easily? I just wanted to clarify that.
Akshay, that was actually me.
Okay.
Me.